Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing a Sephora unboxing, so make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I actually made two Sephora purchases, one in store and then one online. So we're going to start with the online order first because as you guys can see, I have yet to open this box. So yes, let's get right into this. And guys, today I'm really loving my face. This face is actually a Too Faced beat, guys, and yeah, guys, I love it. I'm honestly super excited that I switched over to Too Faced because those products are definitely the truth, okay? It leaves my makeup looking flawless, and then on top of that, it just covers everything. Everything is full coverage to me, and I know it's medium to full coverage, but it definitely gives full coverage. Okay, so as you guys can see, I opened the box, and this was a pretty small purchase, so yes. So this is one of the samples I picked out, and this is the Valentino. Okay, this is the Valentino foundation. I couldn't remember if I picked the fragrance or the foundation, and as you guys can see, it comes with different shades. So of course I would probably use this shade for my foundation, the ones on top for my concealer, and then the ones on the bottom for my contour. And this packaging is really nice, guys. All right, so secondly, this is my second sample that I received. This is the Dior Shine lipstick. Okay, if I can open it up for you guys. Okay, so these are the colors it comes with, and then included is like a little brush. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit of reds, burgundies, and like nude colors, which will be perfect for this fall. And this is the actual lipstick that I'll be sampling. Okay. And then the third sample I actually got was the Dior Anti-Age Global. And this is the box that it comes in. And then let me open it up for you guys so y'all can see. And then this is what it looks like. All right, so now to this haul. All right, so first I got some more of my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I was all out, and guys, if you have oily skin, I definitely recommend this. It definitely gives your makeup a flawless look, and on top of that, this lasts so long, okay? And I love Charlotte Tilbury. Like, it just locks in the moisture for me, and that's actually that's actually my favorite setting spray. So secondly, I got this NARS blush. As you guys can see, I have on my NYX blush today. And let me open this for you guys. And this is actually in a shade Orgasm X. All right, so this is what it looks like when it's unboxed. And this is the color. As you guys can see, it's kind of like a peachy, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it. I love my shimmer, and this is what it looks like. So it's definitely highly pigmented. And then, guys, this just, oh my gosh, that looks really good. I'm excited to use it. Next, I got this Paula's Choice BHA exfoliant. This actually has salicylic acid, which is great for unclogging your pores. I have very oily skin, as stated, and guys, my pores, no, like, they need to shrink in. So the salicylic acid helps with that. It also helps with acne. And then if you have ingrown hairs, this is good as well. I did not want to get the larger bottle because this is my first time trying this product. So I decided to go with the smaller bottle, and this is how it looks. And then lastly, I got a new scent, which is the Prada Paradoxe perfume, guys. And let me open this. Hold on. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks when you take the wrapping off of it, and then you just open the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, this bottle is beautiful. And this is my first time smelling this. This was actually a blind buy purchase. I just heard all the good reviews, and y'all know I love my perfume, so I said I have to try this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Guys, this smells so good. You can definitely smell the amber and a musk. This is actually a floral fragrance, and guys, this scent smells so amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I'm definitely not disappointed. And you could just smell it like in the air still, guys. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and go forth with our in-store purchase. And guys, I didn't get too much, so yes. I'm gonna just take all this stuff out the bag for you guys, so yeah. All right, so first things first, I got some samples. So the first sample I got was actually this Bare Mineral Blush. And guys, this is more of a like creamy blush. And as you guys can see, it's more on the pink side, which I'm not too mad at. Secondly, I got this Rose Deep Hydration Facial Mask. I love Rose because Rose is anti-aging, and it just feels so great on your skin. And this is actually a face cream, and this is from the brand Fresh. I got this rescue mask from First Aid Beauty. And then I got this Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty as well. And then this is actually a rose face mask infused with real rose petals, and it soothes and tones your skin. And this is also from the brand Fresh as well. And guys, as you can see, like, you can see the little rose petals in this. And it actually does smell like rose. Okay, so now it's to what I actually purchased. So I got a few new lip liners. This is the one I'm wearing today, which is Molasses, and this is their gel lip liner. I love Sephora's gel lip liners because they go on so smooth and they feel great on your lips. The second shade I got was Sink or Suede, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And as you guys can see, I just tested it out right here. It kind of gives a mauve look, which I love, 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 love mauve. And then lastly, for the lip liners, this shade is the nudist. So obviously it's like a nude color, but I'm still going to show you guys as well. And you guys might not be able to tell, but it's like right here. And even though it's called the nudist, it still gives a little bit of pink. So I love it. And I know I have on the molasses lip liner right now, but I'm still going to show you guys how it looks. And then as you can see, it's that beautiful deep brown. And then lastly, I got this Rare Beauty brow pencil, guys. And I got it in a shade deep brown. And honestly, like, I feel like people sleep on Rare Beauty. I know I was one of those people. This is actually a dual-sided eyebrow pencil, as you guys can see. So starting off, you would take this, no, not starting off. After you filling your eyebrows, you're actually going to gel it down with this side, which is really good. I love this. I tried it before while I was at work, and guys, it looks so good. And this is actually the other side, which is the pencil. So of course you would fill in your eyebrows first with the pencil, and then you would gel it down on this side. And this is actually waterproof as well. So guys, this wraps up my haul. I just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.